In section 2.1.RA-5, interactive assignment, the question says, a phlebotomist draws the blood of a random sample of 50 patients and determines their blood types as shown. We want to complete parts A through E. First part A, we want to construct a relative frequency distribution. In order to do that, we need to look at the blood types that are given. The blood types that are given, you have A, you have AB, you have B, and you have blood type O. So for A, what we can do is we can count all the numbers that are blood type A. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we know we have 16 for A. For blood type AB, we have 1, and then we have 2. So we have 2. For blood type B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for blood type O, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Or what we could have done is we could have added these all up and then subtracted it from 50. Now, in order to construct a relative frequency distribution, we need to find the total of the sample. Well, we can see here that the total of the sample, which was given in the problem, is 50. So to find the relative frequency for blood type A, we're going to take the number 16 and divide it by 50, which gives us 0.32. For AB, we take the total, 2 divided by 50, which is 0.04. For blood type B, we take 9, divide that by 50, which gives us 0.18. And for blood type O, we take 23, divide that by 50, which gives us 0.46, and therefore there is our relative frequency distribution. Now we're going to answer the following questions. So for part A, it says, according to the data, which blood type is the most common? Well, determine the blood type that has the highest number of occurrences, and the most common blood type is O, type O, occurring 23 times, which is the relative frequency of 0.46. For part C, according to the data, which blood type is the least common? Well, to determine the blood type that has the least number of occurrences, which is AB at 2, so the least common blood type is type AB, occurring only 2 times. In part D, it says use the results of the sample to conjecture the percentage of the population that has type O blood. Is this an example of descriptive or inferential statistics? Well, since the proportion of samples that were type O, which we found to be 0.46, the likely population percentage that has type O blood is 46%. If we move that decimal over to the right, or multiply it by 100%, which gives us 46%. Now recall that descriptive statistics consist of organizing and summarizing data. Inferential statistics uses methods that take a result from a sample, extend it to the population, and then measure the reliability of the result. This is an example of inferential statistics, since it is extending the sample result to the population. Part E. Contact the local hospital and ask them the percentage of the population that is the blood type O. Why might the results differ? Well, recall that the level of confidence is always included with the results from the inferential statistics. You would use this to determine why the results might differ.